master the basics of headset functionality. Ensuring you're behind the head, lighter headset is ready for use. Step 1. Visual inspection. When removing the headset from its bag, check that it's clean and free from visible damage. Make sure all nuts, clips, and fittings are secure and tight. Lastly, confirm the microphone cover and ear cups are correctly attached to the appropriate parts. On this headset variation, the left-hand dome is blank and features 3 large holes, providing full situational awareness by allowing you to hear the environment around you. Step 2. Fit the antenna. Locate the right-angled antenna and screw it onto the right-hand dome using the knurled nut at the end. Once attached, ensure the antenna is pointing upright, as it would be when worn, towards the sky. Step 3. Power on. Find the power button, which is either black or white depending on the headset version, and locate it on the underside of the right-hand dome. Press and hold for 1 second, then release. The LED will illuminate green. If fully charged, the LED flashes 3 times with 3 beeps. At 30 to 80% charge, it flashes twice with 2 beeps. Below 30% charge, the LED flashes once with a single beep. We recommend only using the headset when you receive at least 2 beeps. In urgent situations, it can be used with a single beep, but keep in mind you'll only get a warning tone in the ear when there's less than 30 minutes of battery life left. If there's no light or only 1 beep, the headset likely needs charging and it's time to plug in. Step 4. Charging. The charger socket is located on the bottom side of the right-hand dome. Within the first 30 minutes of charging, the headset will regain roughly 2/3 of its battery life. While charging, the top LED turns orange. When fully charged, the light turns off. Note: headsets should not be charged while powered on. Step 5. Position the microphone. Make sure the microphone can only rotate forward and back, not all the way around. It should sit directly in front of your mouth, as close to the lips as possible for optimal pickup. For correct orientation, the antenna should be behind the head, on the rear side of the headset when worn. Step 6. Using the buttons. On the right-hand dome, you'll find the yellow button. This is a latch-on/off button that, when pushed in, activates the headset microphone to go live, allowing communication with wing walkers, de-icing teams, or another headset. Headset volume is adjusted using the black knurled turn wheel located on the outside of the ear dome.